welcome back to the channel.
We're exploring downtown Warsaw today. So mostly the Old Town area as well as the Royal Route, a bunch of castles and whatnot along the way. What you see behind us and most of what you're going to see today is actually built after World War II. The architecture was not inspired by the architecture at the time. It was actually inspired by architecture of the 17th century. So some of the buildings are a little bit of a throwback to a different era. So we're really excited to explore and get to see everything today. So far, everything is beautifully colored, very sunny. It's just a really, really great day. So we're super excited to be walking around.
Entering the palace. You will need tickets.
Welcome to the Royal Castle. Today it's a museum and we're going to go inside in a little bit and take a look around. But in the 16th century, this used to be the residence of Polish monarchs. The Nazis destroyed it in World War II as a result of the uprising. The rooms within this castle have been restored as close to their original state as possible. So let's go take a look.
Tickets? All right, we have our tickets. On to the... And we continue on the castle route.
Apparently this is where they hosted balls, had feasts, invited outsiders to come into the castle. So obviously not original. It was recreated based off of what the original assembly hall looked like, but incredibly grand and beautiful.
And he would sleep half seated. How weird is that?
Yeah, that's what this thing said.
And that's his audience today. I gotta take a picture. Wow, we just got done with the Royal Palace tour.
So the first few rooms, especially the ballroom, just absolutely gorgeous. Like almost on par with
whoever built this had a lot of money.
But as you go on, you know, the rooms become kind of less and less grand, just grand in general.
We paid like 50 zlotys each, so that's roughly what, $12.50 US?
For each person.
So
yeah,
for that, I guess it was worth it. It's definitely one of the highlights of Poland. So if you're coming here, I don't know if you want to miss it. Now we're going to the Old Town Square.
So pro tip, we came here yesterday, which was a Saturday, and it was packed, like just wall-to-wall people. We're here again on a Sunday and it is dead. It's around noon, so maybe it'll get a little bit busier, but we came here around the same time yesterday and it's just such a big difference between the number of people you're surrounded by. So come on a Sunday.
It's the Old Town Square. We're in Old Town Market.
Oh, look at this
Just
guy.
walking around.
The hokey guy, like playing the machine.
Yeah, we saw like one of those guys in Krakow too, so.
Oh, we did?
Yeah. That guy. in Krakow. What's this? Oh, she's making pictures. Trying to figure out how she's taking these pictures and then it prints a piece of old newspaper with their picture. And I think there is a digital camera in here. Kind of looks like that.
So what we have figured out is that there is a digital camera inside of this camera that she's using.
This is what all the Polish people love. Pikanka. Behind me is the St. John's Cathedral. It was destroyed during World War II by the Nazis, but it was recreated after the war. We're gonna go check it out today. Some of these pillars look very different than what they used to before the war. Look more ornate. And now they look a little bit more simple.
Old in the glitz, like some of the churches in Krakow. But the stained glass is really beautiful.
We're saying goodbye to the church.
Yep, I think its service is about to start, so we need to skedaddle.
That was our church experience. It was pretty good. I think it was kind of what we expected. It was a church.
Yeah, I don't know, for a UNESCO World Heritage Site, I think I expected it to be a little bit more grand, but the stained glass is beautiful. So
You can come here, you can skip it. It's up to you.
yeah. But
and
something that is great, food, which we're going to next.
Yes, it's past 12:30 and we're starting to feel very hungry. So we're gonna try Polish food again. I think we tried it once in Krakow. We didn't really like it as much, but maybe it was the restaurant. So we're gonna give this one a shot, see how it goes. We're gonna go have some Polish food. Maybe we'll sit outside. Maybe we'll sit inside, I don't know.
Inside or outside?
I think, hold on. So table. It's a cute restaurant. Oh my god.
This is so cute.
Alright. We're on for some Polish food.
Made with unsmoked meats.
I'm gonna get the cabbage rolls with minced pork in a tomato sauce. What are you getting?
The Polish-style sauerkraut dish made on smoked meats.
This is the restaurant I bring Melissa to, and what does she say?
This place is so stinking cute. I hope the food is good, but the ambiance is just amazing. It makes me feel like I'm like in Old Town Poland. Like, it's amazing.
Now, gentlemen, that's how you know your wife. Because you bring her to a restaurant and she's like, this is so cute. Start coffees.
Cabbage rolls for him.
Cabbage roll?
Yeah.
Yes. Yes.
Thank you.
Welcome. And fried potato. Enjoy your meal.
Thank you. I got the cabbage rolls with pork. So. Let's see. Okay.
Not a fan?
It's just pork that's not seasoned as much. I think that's like most Polish food. It's not highly seasoned.
Why don't you try a little bit of my sauerkraut? Sauerkraut.
That's really good.
Yes, I know.
Wow. Maybe I should get that next time.
So this is actually bigos. So bigos is a sauerkraut dish with minced meats in it. Pretty traditionally Polish. Quite good. I actually really liked it. And Andrzej's, dish is also pretty traditionally Polish.
It's too traditional.
Yeah, for his taste. Yeah, for Rishi's taste, it's a little too Polish. But if you come to Poland, I would highly recommend trying this. Sauerkraut has a really nice flavor, and the meat is actually really good as well. So.
This way? This way? Which way? She's our guide today, so she's gonna guide us. Where are we going, Melissa? Up that way.
Google Maps is very confused. It keeps on pointing me in the wrong direction, or telling me I'm pointing.
What does Google really know? I mean, that's the question to ask.
Oh no.
We are going to the Uprising Monument. Seems like there's... So I think we're just approaching the monument now. Gonna take a look at it right around the corner. This monument is dedicated to the Polish underground resistance that fought the Germans in the end of World War II.
Unfortunately, the uprising was unsuccessful, and in retaliation, the Nazis nearly leveled the city.
Melissa, are you done with the resistance?
Cheers.
Cheers. Actually, the vanilla is pretty good.
Yeah. Okay, it tastes like frosting to me. Like more like frosting than ice cream, so.
Pretty good for $2.
Oh, pigeons inside.
Well, we're gonna walk around with this now,
Yeah.
so I can hold the camera.
To the river.
To the river. The little things you like. How's your ice cream?
It's pretty good.
Toilet tour of the castle.
Luxurious.
Luxurious. There's not even a toilet. There's just the hand wash.
Yeah, because they didn't have toilets back in the day.
Oh, it's symbolic.
It's symbolic.